Minhal had not been sleeping well for the past few nights. He would close his eyes, but then something strange would happen.
Mama, there's a voice. It tells me to do wrong things. I don't like it.
A whisper comes from Shaitan. It tries to trick us. But do you know what protects us?
Quran?
Especially Surah An-Naas. Let's read it together. Mama placed her hand on his chest and began to recite. Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. I seek protection from the Lord of mankind. Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq alayhi salam said, "Better then, he who recites Surah An-Naas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah Ikhlas before sleeping is protected from every evil, mischief, and whispering till morning." The dark whisper disappeared like mist in sunlight. Minhal felt peace.
If the whisper comes again, I'll just say, Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas, and poof, it'll run away. When fear comes, remember, Allah is always protecting you. Just call out to Him from your heart.
Surah An-Naas teaches us, even if we can't see the whisper, we can ask Allah to protect our hearts.